One day, Spider-Cat receives an alert. Gravity is being lost in the city and buildings, cars, and people are floating in the air. The cause of the problem was a dangerous villain, Gravon, who disrupted the city's gravity with an anti-gravity device. Spider-Cat immediately prepares his new anti-gravity web, which he recently designed. This web had the power to stabilize gravity and bring things back to the ground. Arriving in the city, he sees Gravon wreaking havoc with his machine. As Spider-Cat moves forward, Gravon attacks him with an anti-gravity beam. Spider-Cat begins to rise into the air, but uses his new web to attach himself to the ground. Spider-Cat soon throws his anti-gravity web at Gravon's machine, jamming his machine. The city's gravity returns as the machine stops. Having trapped Gravon in his web trap, Spider-Cat turns him over to the police.
If you want to watch such beautiful videos, then subscribe to the channel.